How to unfollow people on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually unfollow people on Facebook. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, I will show you two things. One is how you can unfollow pages versus how you can unfollow your friends. But in order to do that, first of all, we'll just go ahead and then launch the Facebook application. Once you launch Facebook app, make sure you are logged into your account. Let's say that you have followed a certain page. For example, if you want to unfollow that page, right over here, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and then tap on the unfollow button. So go ahead and select this option and you'll find a section which says unfollow. So go ahead and select unfollow, and now you could basically come back. And now if you go ahead and reload it, you will not be able to see posts from those people. Similarly, you can go ahead and repeat the process for other pages and public figures as well. You can go ahead and tap on the following tab and then select unfollow over here. However, let's say that you want to actually unfollow personal individuals without having to unfriend them. So you have some of the friends list with you and then you want to simply unfollow them. But you're not being able to find the option. Just go ahead and tap on their profile, and once you go to their profile over here, so let's say for example I go to someone's profile, you can see I'm friends with that person. I want to unfollow them without actually unfriending them. It's very simple to do that as well. You just need to tap on his friends icon. Once you tap on the friends button, you'll see all these options to unfriend and so on. But if you want to keep them as friend but only unfollow them, select the option called unfollow. Once you do that, refresh your Facebook app, and now you can see we're still friends with them, but we're not technically following them. So which means that if I tap on the friends button, you have the option to actually follow again. So just go ahead and select follow as well. And this is how you can actually unfollow people on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.